Hi, I'm Melissa, and today I am going to be doing a first impression of a brand new product from Clinique. I did receive this from Influencer, so it was complimentary. Thank you so much. All right, so this is the Smart Clinical Repair Correcting Eye Cream. Comes in this really cute little purple bottle. Okay, so this is wrinkle correcting eye cream. It has a peptide complex, strengthen your dermal, support structure for smoother, younger looking skin. And 85% say crow's feet look reduced and 89% say eyes look less crepey after people tested it for a month. No smell at all, which I think is nice. Clinique products are really nice for sensitive skin. Yeah, no scent at all. It feels really nice. I'm assuming it's top and bottom of the eye. Most eye creams you just put on here, but it says it helps with crepiness. So I'm guessing it goes on the top too. Wow, feels really nice and luxurious. Very smooth. It's thick, but it doesn't feel like uncomfortable at all. But it definitely feels like it's going to do something because it is a thicker eye cream. So no color at all. It soaks in really nicely. No scent. My first impression, obviously I cannot tell after one try if this is going to improve, around my eye, but my first impression would definitely be a 10 out of 10. It seems like a really nice product and it feels nice. And I know eye cream is super important and you should definitely use one morning and evening or at least once a day. Let me know if you try this Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Eye Cream and what you think.